Well, it didn't wake me up, but I started hearing it as I woke up. Yeah, I saw the wood just start going insane. Yeah, it's here though. 50. Holy cow. Definitely the big gusts so far. I don't know how cold it is because that alarm is going off. Holy dude, this is insane. I'm probably not gonna go out there. It's kind of cold right now. I'm cold already, and I'm not even out there. It's 24. Oh god, I'm shivering. Dang. If I want to go out there, it's gonna be for like 10 seconds probably. Oh, our thing broke off. That's not right. Oh my god. Look at my wind chime. God dang. I'm probably just gonna go out there for like 10 seconds. I don't know though. That depends on how cold the wind actually is. Depends. But we're gonna try here. Without getting too. I'm gonna try without getting. Holy cow! Look at that garbage! Holy heck! Oh my freaking god! That was 60. Holy crap! Yo! Holy crap! Oh my freaking god! Hey, that wind trap is coming inside. Oh my god! Look at stars flying everywhere. This wind is definitely 70. Holy crap, I'm starting to shiver. Dude, Tom's tree! Look at these crepe myrtles! Oh my freaking god! That was outrageous. I hope I got that on video. Holy crap, nope, I'm going in. Those couple of gusts just made me so cold. Oh. That thing's beating the trucker today. Holy cow, dude. Dude, hang on. I have never felt wind like that before. I'm gonna go get dressed into something like nice and toasty warm. That, I have never seen wind like that. Not here. I should turn that alarm off because, yeah, we all know that's going to be going on all freaking day, considering the winds right now are 59 miles per hour, so, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to, I think I already took screenshots of how strong the wind is right now. I don't know. If not, it's alright. Okay, hold on. I didn't turn it off all the way. There, now I did. High peak 25. Right now it's at 19, so outrageous. And of course I'll be wearing those snow boots again. What do you worry about? Because these are so down tight. I'm gonna get this hat, because that one is also, I'm happy to say that my elbow is feeling better today. It's not as bad as it has been for the past few weeks. But this one goes on this hand. Wowzers. I also just don't want to be thrown. I also don't want snow being thrown at my face. That was uncalled for. Alright, I think I'm good to go back out now because I am completely bummed up. There is nothing for me to spare. Just my face. Wow. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Oh. Can't really do that with my lips very much, because, yeah, I've also never seen that wind chime blow like that. Like, for real. Hey, it might actually be starting to calm some. Now, this is like the original one we get usually from strong wind days, but today is gonna be a little bit more insane than that. Yeah, my face is really just gonna be the only really cold part of my body right now. Which this is just so I can see with it. Don't know where that came from. That's why that flag's not out here. I took it down. Oh, frick. What is that noise? Hey. I really like these. Wow. Oh my god. My poor Willow. Holy. I can tell you, that's probably gonna be just fine. I had to bring my heater out here, but yeah, no. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Oh my god, dude, this wind is making my face cold. Dang, it got colder, I swear. Dang, did the sun just come out? What the freak? Questions. Oh my god, my face is freezing. Holy, what the world? What, do I need to block my face from this wind or something? It's mainly this cheek right here. I wonder if it's dropped out here. Because my face was not this cold the last time I was out here. I'd be fine if my face wasn't that cold, but... Oh, still sitting at 23. Let's see if I can just have my hat cover half of my face for me. That works, but I can't see. Look at all these birds. Look at all the birds. Oh my god. Oh my. That is gonna be cold. Oh my. Dude! What the? That was 50. That was funny. A bang! I think I got that on camera. I actually think I got that on camera. Oh my god. That was a little bit interesting. Glad I didn't feel that. Okay, bro. I like to try to stay out of the way of the wind. Holy crap. What the? Oh my god. Oh, it is about to blow. I mean, it may already be blowing, but, excuse me. Look at all these birds. Damn, bro. Excuse me again. Oh my, dude, look at all these birds. Oh my god, those criminals. I saw them blow even worse earlier at the beginning of the video. Which, that was actually definitely around 50 mile an hour gusts. That was some insane wind that came flying through. It's not blowing like that anymore. Guess God gave me a gust to start off the video. I don't know. I wonder how much more it's blowing in the front. Holy! Look at this. I'll definitely be doing this like all day. Oh wow, look at that tree up in there. Holy. Wow. I wish it was like 50 or 60 degrees right now, like, to be completely honest, or 60 or 70. That'd be really great. But instead it's 20. And then I have to use layers of clothes to freaking stay warm. Whoa! Good lord. Bro, what is that? Holy. I still remember when this Tom's tree was a baby still. Which was, I saw it on Google Earth before our house was even built. And this tree was little. Oh wow, okay, yeah, wind is really starting to come back. Yo, that oak tree and willow oak, both of those oaks, oh my lord. Here we go. Alright, yep, I'm gonna move. I almost fell on that. Huh? What? Holy frick! Look at Tom's tree, dude. Holy frick. Holy, dude. Oh my god. Wait, that is definitely 50. What was that noise? That was a scary noise. That spooked me. Oh, that wind chime is so pretty, dude. Little bit wind chime. Oh wow, look at that pine. Didn't blow for that long. I swear, I may have just gotten enough outside footage. Bro, what? Oh my god! Dude, the other gusts that started off the video were probably the strongest, I swear. Like the snow just starting to fly up in my face and just all over the air. It was freaking crazy, dude. And this is all snow from yesterday afternoon. It was pretty when it was snowing. Now it's clear. Which, another reason why it is windy. There's a couple clouds back over there, but nothing too special. Dude, when Tom's tree sways like that, it is so loud. That is so crazy. My lord, dude. Holy! Oh my god. Those gusts again. Oh, more snow flying in the air. Another 50 mile an hour gust. Wow! Oh, wow. Look at the woods! Oh my god, today's February 6th. It's Saturday today. Also, I have to be aware of Grow a Garden update and Steel Burnout update because right now I don't know when I'm going to be able to schedule those because I have plans for the wind today. What is that freaking noise? I am literally just as confused as you guys are. That pine! Oh, poor thing. That was definitely a 60 to 70 mile an hour gust. That was, oh my, that was crazy. I can't believe I got that on camera. Oh, there goes more. Oh my. Look, it is still blowing. Wow, dude. Oh, that pine. I've seen it blow worse than that. Oh, snap. Holy frick. Holy crap. Holy moly. Oh! Holy! That crate went all the way in the corner there. There is about to be snow coming flying. Well, there are these gusts that were blown up in the woods. Oh, dude, look at that. What the frick? I have no clue where that is. God dang it. Wasn't expecting this. Eat that. Fantastic. Get back. That is going to be freaking cold. Oh, my. That was a good one. Oh, goodness. I don't even know how and why these fell. They were probably tipping whenever that weird random gust came through. That was, I'm glad I stood up for that. That was the fence, dude. That was, interesting. Holy! Turned a little late for that one, but dang! What was that? This stuff's for like summertime and such. Holy. Dude. I think I already... Dude. This wind is flying. It is crazy. I mean, wind is always flying. That makes sense, but... Yeah, that was some crazy dust. Especially in the beginning. It is supposed to calm down and then ramp back up in the 50, or ramp back up in the 50 mile per hour zone around 2 p.m. 2 to 1 p.m. Wowzers, dude. Holy snickerdoodles. This is nothing that I would have expected coming today. 50 mile per hour wind is still pretty damaging and still can blow trees down. Blow multiple trees down. I do think I've gotten enough outside footage for right now. I think I'm gonna head in and warm my hands back up. Let's get my hands warmed up. Sorry that you guys can't really see right now. I don't have control over the camera right now because I want to get out of this giant odd jacket and get a bit of a break because I'm kind of cold. Oh, I'm not kind of cold. Oh my! Yo, those current rails just swayed. At least that one did. Dang, bro, my hand, my freaking phone is. Lock the door. Look at that. Yo, okay. Oh, wow. Things missed. There. There's the sun. Oh, so pretty. That like bright orange is so pretty. Or like a dark yellow. So pretty. So let's see the high peak on here right now. The winds are gonna start bumping down to like 44 for a couple hours and then back up to 50. So we got 25, which is definitely, the peak 25 means that's where the wind is sitting. But we don't know, it doesn't tell you the max wind gusts. So, a little sad, but yeah, that's pretty much where I was sitting around today. And that's where it's sitting at a lot of the times when that thing hits around like 20. So this year, or next school year, I'm gonna be taking an editing class, kind of in high school. Hopefully I can start being able to edit my videos and stuff. And learning how to code and stuff like that. So, can't wait. And then my videos will for sure get a lot more views than they have right now. This has been an outrageous morning. I think I should go ahead and get part 1 posted. I'm gonna get part 1 posted.